Compliment of the season. Today I'll be cooking honey beans porridge with ginger and overripe plantain. With this recipe, you don't have to throw away your overripe plantain. Welcome to my kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll start by pouring clean water in a clean pot, after which I'll add onions and ginger. I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of ginger powder. Then I would allow the water boil. When the water starts boiling, it's time to add my honey beans. So my honey beans has been properly picked to remove the shafts and stones commonly seen here in Nigeria, and also it has been washed. So you have to pick your beans here in Nigeria if you don't want to choose stone in your beans. You'd mix it properly just like I'm doing now. I'm mixing my beans properly and I'll be cooking for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'll check my beans. The substance you see me scraping back into the pot is ginger powder. It is this way because I first infused the water with onions and ginger by boiling it. However, if you don't want to do this, you can simply use fresh ginger, but you have to cut the fresh ginger into very small pieces. Now I'm going to be testing my beans to know how soft it is and to also know if I'll be adding more water to cook it till it is very soft. In my case, I'll be adding more water. So I'll be pouring more water now, and also I'll be adding salt. I'll be using 2 teaspoons of salt for this recipe. I would also be using a lot of crayfish powder because I love the taste, and just 1 seasoning cube. I don't like using too many seasoning cubes for my meals, so I'll be using just 1. Now I'll mix my beans properly and I'll cook my beans till it is very soft. Now that my beans is very soft, I'll add chili pepper powder. I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of chili pepper. You can add more for extra spiciness. I'll also be adding my overripe plantain and my palm oil. I'll mix properly and cook for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'll stir my beans porridge again. So you must be wondering why I keep stirring. So I keep stirring my beans porridge to make sure that neither the beans nor the plantain is stuck at the bottom of the pot, because if any of these is stuck at the bottom of the pot, it will start burning and I would have burnt food. So I'm going to be cooking for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, my ginger honey beans porridge with overripe plantain is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up by liking my video. You can also drop your comments at the comment section. I would love to read from you. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for your support once again. Happy New Year.